What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Madi and welcome. Today's video is going to be a kind of different video than what you would typically see on my channel. If you're new here, my channel normally consists of tutorials, boxy charms, how-tos, reviews, and hits and misses. But lately I've been trying to kind of freelance and I've been dabbling in different types of subjects like celebrity makeup tutorials, vlogging, how-tos. I started a basic series, so we're really kind of moving along and starting new things on this channel. So I wanted to continue that idea, and this idea kind of popped up out of nowhere, but I'm really excited to do it. Obviously, you've seen the title above, but backstory. I was talking to my mom the other day, and although I am like obsessed with makeup and I have like $2,000 worth of my own money here, my mom doesn't, and she doesn't know all of the technicalities, I guess you would say, of makeup. So a while back I did a how to get the stains out of your beauty blender. I'll have that linked down below as well. It's a DIY hack. So I was telling her about it and I showed her how I got the stains out of my beauty blender, and she was like, "Oh, are you supposed to wash them?" And I said, "Wait, you don't wash your beauty blender?" And she said, "No." And I said, "Well, how long have you had it?" And she said 2 years. If you guys didn't know, you're supposed to buy a new beauty blender every 6 months. They have a 6-month expiration date. And you know, a lot of people think that that's not true, but this is a sponge and it contains bacteria and water, and those two mix will create bugs living inside your beauty blender and just a breeding ground for bacteria, and you need to wash it. And after 6 months, it's time to toss it. So she did not know either of those two things. So I have her 2-year-old, never before been washed beauty blender. So I wanted to wash this and just see what comes out of it. If you guys are interested to see as well, then just keep on watching. Before we get started though, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So without any further ado, let's go. Okay, now we are back in my bathroom. I have her disgusting beauty blender and we're going to try this. So I have that little mixture that I made in my DIY video, and it's already like this soupy color. So we're just going to get this damp and start trying to clean this. I'm so excited and disgusted and ready and curious to see what comes out of this exactly. I have half a mind to just like cut it in half and see what's living inside, but I'm honestly a little afraid of that, so we're not going to. Okay, so we got all of the water out, and it gets massive and is like really narrow. Mind you, this is an original beauty blender. It's not supposed to look like this. Okay, so let's get some of this solution on it. I'm just gonna soak it up, man. I'm so worried. Okay, here we go. What was that? Oh God. Yeah. Did you guys just hear that? Up top? Those were gunshots. I live in a good neighborhood, but the surrounding area is really bad, so we hear those from time to time. Let's keep going. Just gonna start working this in. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna get this under some water. Oh my God. It just keeps pouring into the drain. It keeps going. It's still pouring foundation and concealer into the drain, but it's getting better. This is the second time that we've gone through this process. Look how long this is. That is just like so not right. Oh! Oh my God! Oh, jeez. Okay. Let me rinse this off my hand. Okay. And there you have it. That was disgusting. And there's still some stains in there. Okay, so that is one of the main reasons why I hate these tan beauty blenders, because like it's the color of foundation and you can't really tell if it's clean or not, and you can't tell if it's dirty. You just have to know by the times that you use it, like when to clean it again. That's why I typically like to buy the pink, but as you can see, it's not even all the way clean yet. I couldn't believe how much came out of this beauty blender. It was absolutely disgusting. I'm going to throw this away as soon as this video is over, of course with her permission. But once again, folks, if you guys have a beauty blender, do know that it has a 6-month expiration date. It is a sponge. It does contain bacteria. You need to practice safe hygiene and make sure that you buy a new beauty blender when it is time. Don't hesitate. Make sure that you do that, because this is your face we're talking about. It'll cause breakouts. It'll cause infections. So just be aware of that, and also know that you need to clean your beauty blender just about as often as you clean your brushes, which are about every 1 to 2 weeks, a month if you really want to push it. But the way that I do makeup, I have to clean it every weekend because I do makeup every single day. So thank you guys so much for watching this disgusting video I made. If you liked this little spontaneous video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe down below for more, and I will see you guys next time. Ugh.